Upgrading your home's windows can dramatically improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and increase property value. However, residential window replacement is a significant investment, and homeowners in Frederick, Maryland, often make avoidable mistakes that can lead to delays, unexpected expenses, and long-term dissatisfaction. Whether you're planning your first replacement or considering a second round due to past missteps, this guide is here to help you avoid the most common pitfalls. Neglecting to research local requirements. One of the biggest oversights during window replacement in Frederick is ignoring local building codes and homeowner association (WA) regulations. Frederick County has specific codes regarding egress windows, safety glass, and energy efficiency requirements that your contractor must follow. Solution: always check with your WA and Frederick County's building department before finalizing window specifications or signing contracts. Ensuring compliance upfront prevents costly modifications or fines later on. Choosing the wrong type of window for your home. Many homeowners select windows based solely on appearance or price, without considering the Maryland climate, their home's architectural style, or practical performance features. For example, a picture window may look great but offers no ventilation, which can be a drawback in certain rooms. Solution: consult a window specialist who understands local weather conditions. In Frederick, windows with low E-glass and argon gas-filled panes are excellent for improving insulation during hot summers and cold winters. Hiring unqualified or unlicensed contractors. It's tempting to go with the lowest quote, especially when replacing multiple windows. But inexperienced or unlicensed contractors can cause more harm than good, from poor installation to voided warranties. Solution: verify that your contractor is licensed in Maryland, has experience with residential projects in Frederick, and offers transparent references. A reputable professional will not hesitate to provide proof of insurance, warranty details, and customer testimonials. Focusing only on the cost budget is important, but choosing windows or installation services based only on price can lead to regret. Cheap materials may not be durable, energy efficient, or compatible with your home's structure. Similarly, bargain labor may mean rushed jobs and corner cutting. Solution: consider total value, including durability, energy savings, long-term warranty, and maintenance. A slightly higher upfront cost can pay off significantly in lower utility bills and fewer repairs down the line. Poor timing and planning. Scheduling a window replacement without proper planning can be disruptive, especially in extreme weather or when you're hosting guests. Rushed decisions often lead to missed details and mistakes. Solution: the best time to replace windows in Frederick is spring or early fall when temperatures are mild. Always plan your project at least a month in advance to allow time for measurements, custom orders, and potential shipping delays. Overlooking ventilation and functionality. While aesthetics matter, functionality is key. Homeowners often forget to think about airflow, ease of operation, and how windows open and close until after installation, when it's too late. Solution: discuss your lifestyle needs with your contractor. Do you need windows that tilt for easy cleaning? Do you want more airflow in certain rooms? Think beyond looks and prioritize practicality. Not understanding the warranty. Window warranties can be confusing, and many homeowners assume they're covered for every issue, only to discover exclusions after a problem arises. Solution: read the fine print. Understand what is covered: glass breakage, seal failure, installation issues, for how long and under what conditions. Ask your contractor for clarification and keep warranty documents safe. Final thoughts: window replacement in Frederick isn't just about swapping glass. It's a strategic upgrade to your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. By avoiding common mistakes like hiring the wrong contractor, ignoring local codes, or choosing the cheapest option, you'll save time, money, and frustration. Take the time to research, plan, and partner with trusted professionals. With the right approach, your window replacement can be smooth, satisfying, and truly transformational.